Nice little hike up to Glade Falls, but it's a wonderful place to be anyway. The base of Glade Creek Falls. It's not for the faint-hearted. Hi, so we're in Castlegar and we're going to have a look at Glade Falls. We've just driven down an awesome trail and let's just go have a look at this bridge down here. I'll show you what this bridge looks like. It's really cool, right in the middle of nowhere. So we've just driven over here and so there's the creek, and it's one of these wooden bridges you see on the movies. It's awesome. So here we are. We followed the trail down to the waterfall, and unfortunately there's no waterfall. So don't believe everything you see on Google Maps, because the ferry's down that way and the waterfall is not anyway. So, but it's a wonderful place to be anyway. So there's the ferry down there. It's free again, so that's another ferry we've been on. It just takes you across the river, and you get onto the other side. There's a boat launch on the other side, and you just drive up there, down a trail, and you get to this fantastic place.
Somebody has cut this.
Yeah. Oh yeah, somebody else is on the way up then. Ah, here you go. Okay, back there. It is up there. Ah. Well, I'm not quite sure. Maybe they crossed over that way, I don't know. But there is a trail going off up here.
Maybe it's a better.
Oh, I see it. All right. I know. Oh. Well, we can cross over here. Free! Wow! What are these falls called? What are they called? Whoa! I don't know. It might be easier on that side. We're going to cross over anyway because we're not going up there. But hi folks, we made it to the base of Glade Creek Falls. And we got help from local knowledge, and we'll see if they want to chat in a minute. Okay, let's continue. Alright, so we're going to cross over these falls. Well, thank you very much, ladies. Without your help, we would never have found it.
I'm sure you would have.
No, we were just about to head on out.
I don't know how they got in here that way.
No.
Well,
oh well.
I'm going to try and go out to see where it comes out.
Yeah.
Maybe we just didn't come up far enough.
No.
But I came that way last time, I swear.
Oh, wow. Ow. So a bit of a hike up to the second part of these falls. It's not for the faint-hearted. I kind of like, it was a scramble on all fours at one point, but then I got to the up above from the second one, and there's a trail that takes you up here. It's still a little dicey in sections, but at least there is a trail up here that's pretty well worn, and you can see the falls behind me right there. Kind of a neat spot. And then if I turn around this way, we have the gorgeous mountains in the background. What a view. Now you can take the trail further up, which kind of goes up there. I see the signs on the trees up there, but I'm not sure what those are. But I think it's getting hot now, and that's enough for me. The falls are starting to kind of get narrow, so I wouldn't think the top one is such spectacular, but that's my opinion. You'll have to go and challenge it and tell me in the comments below. Oh, so that was our nice little hike up to Glade Falls. If you're in the area of Castlegar, check it out. It was first part of the falls is a nice leisurely hike, and up to the second one and the third one is a bit of a scramble, so be prepared for that. You're on all fours as you climb up, but for most people it's not too bad. There's a lot to hang on to, but yeah, thanks for coming.